All right, y'all. I got some bad news about that. We're not gonna finish it right now just because out the blue we just found us a house. So I'm gonna be working at the house from now on. But I am gonna finish it. But that ain't my main priority right now. So if y'all been wondering where I've been at, that's what I've been doing. We've been looking for a house and I had other personal stuff going on. So I just wanted to keep y'all updated. But we're gonna keep the car stuff rolling, but not right now. I'm gonna put it on hold for a couple weeks because I gotta build a couple things for the house in this video pertaining to one on. By the way, updates on the truck. Ain't nothing special. Got some new headlights, got some tow mirrors. I put a 3-inch body lift on it, so I'm sitting at 10 inches now. Nothing too special. I gotta fix that headlight, but that's small work. But I will be going higher on the lift. Just not right now. I gotta handle some stuff. But once I get the house stuff out the way, I will hop back on this build, and we got a special build coming up later on in the year too. I think I already told y'all about that, but if I didn't, just keep on the lookout for that. But other than that, let's get to the video. All right, y'all, just a quick run through. This is pretty simple. You know, just use 3 screws when you putting it together, but make sure when you do the ends, when you do the end pieces, make sure you drill first. Drill a hole first before you put the screws in, because if you don't, it's gonna crack all the way through the end. But pretty simple. Now, as far as the foundation part for the box spring, because this is basically the box spring that's on top. The foundation part at the bottom. Down here, I'm gonna put some studs, like some big studs from the ground going up to match up with it so it can sit still so it won't move. But I'm not gonna do that right now because I gotta take it outside and sand it. I gotta sand it down, get it smooth, because we painting it. We plan on painting it. I'm gonna paint it, and on the edge here, I'm gonna put a little groove on it. So my daughter, I know she be playing on the bed a lot, so she won't hit her leg on it, you know, or cut herself or whatever. So I'm gonna put a groove right here. All the way around, going around to the other side. But it's just a little quick run through.
Mommy, I'm on. Oh, no.
Wait, Johnny.
Sit down. Let me go.